Today I will be demonstrating how to easily and efficiently clean your 2nd Gen AirPods at home. All you need is alcohol wipes, rubbing alcohol, a toothbrush, toothpicks, Q-tips, a smaller cup, and paper towels. First, you want to take your toothpick and run it around all the edges of the speakers, which are located at the front, back, and side of your AirPod. Make sure you don't push too hard on the speakers as they can be fragile. Next, pour the rubbing alcohol into the small cup. Take your toothbrush and dip it into the alcohol. Use the toothbrush to scrub all edges of the speakers. You can scrub each side about 5 to 6 times.